Okay, dear student, due to some mobile problem, the last video will stop suddenly. So we will continue from the last one. Dear students, measurement of angle 1 equals to measurement of angle 2 because the corresponding angles, actually this is the angle, the corresponding angles of the congruent triangles. Okay. Now we know that the sum of these two angles, angle 1 and angle 2, this is the straight angle. The sum of these two angles equals to 180. So we will write here measurement of angle 1 plus measurement of angle 2 is equals to measurement of angle A and B, because A and B, this is equals to 180, because these two angles are the adjacent supplementary angles. But from 1 we know we have that measurement of angle 1 and measurement of angle 2 both are equal. So, and from 2 we get that their sum is equals to 180. It means if we will divide 180 into two equal parts, then we can say that measurement of angle 1 is equals to measurement of angle 2, and both will be equals to 90 degree. From 1 and 2 we will get. And you know that the angle 90 degree means this is the perpendicular. Angle 90 degree means perpendicular. This line, this proves that OM is the perpendicular at AB, because OM, this angle, this side is the perpendicular or at line AB, because it divide or bisect this chord at angle 90. So we can say that OM is the perpendicular of AB, and this is the point which we will go to prove. So hence we proved that in a straight line which drawn from the center of the circle, and if it bisect the chord, then this is the perpendicular to the chord. We have proved in this theorem. Now move to our index. Theorem number 2, you will write theorem number 2 in classwork and as well as in your homework, and you will learn or prepare your theorem number 2 for your paper. Wish you good luck, take care of yourself and enjoy the vacations. अल्लाह आपको अपनी हिफ्ज़ व अमान में रखे। अल्लाह हाफिज़ बच्चों।